Let's begin by taking a deep breath in. Hold and slowly breathe out. Again, in, hold, and out. Let your shoulders drop, unclench your jaw, let your hands rest. There's nowhere to go right now, just be here. Bring your attention to your body. Feel your feet on the ground, your spine tall but relaxed, your hands resting easily, moving up and down your body. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring it back to your breath. You are one with your body. Feel yourself in your hands all the way down to your toes. Now we're going to do some stretching. Breathe into the stretch. Feel it all the way down to your toes. You want to feel one with your body. Everything is connected. You are grounded in yourself. Now picture a place where you feel calm. Maybe a forest, a beach, or your favorite room. Imagine being surrounded by peace. You are safe. You are supported. You are here. Remember to breathe in and out as you center yourself in this place. Gently bring your attention back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Take another deep breath. And when you're ready, if your eyes are closed, please open them. I'd like to thank you for taking this time for yourself, and I hope you come back whenever you need it. Spending this time together has been wonderful, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.